Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Open Settings and tap Cellular to start setting up dual SIM on iPhone 16 Pro Max. Look for Add eSIM and follow the carrier prompts to download the digital plan. If you have a physical Nano SIM, insert it now using the SIM tray and the included eject tool. After activation, assign a label for each line, such as work and personal, to distinguish them. Set your default line for iMessage and FaceTime to keep messages consistent. Set your default voice line for new calls and texts in cellular settings to avoid mistakes. Decide which line will handle cellular data and tap cellular data to choose it. iPhone 16 Pro Max supports dual SIM dual standby, so both lines receive calls when available. Use the control center to switch lines quickly before making a call or sending a message. You can also pick a line per contact to automate outgoing calls and texts. Restart your iPhone and toggle airplane mode if a line fails to connect to the network. Confirm both plans show service bars and check carrier settings updates in Settings General About. If activation shows an error or eSIM QR scanning fails, contact your carrier for a new QR or activation code. Remove and re-add an eSIM from cellular plans if problems persist. Keep iOS updated to the latest version.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.